If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Makayla Bag by Deja designs. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this super cute bag. So it is a super simple bag. It's sleek, it's elegant, it can be dressed up for nighttime, it could be used as an everyday bag. I've chosen to make it with a crossbody strap, then you can wear it across your body or over your shoulder. The crossbody strap is detachable, so you could also take this as a clutch if you preferred to do that as well. This one has a turn lock closure. It can also be made with a magnetic snap closure. On the back, where the flap attaches, you have this decorative accent strip here, which I have put some rivets in for some added bling. And on the inside, this one is done in a waterproof canvas, but you have a zipper pocket with a decorative overlay, and it actually is quite big for such a small bag. Perfect for the person that does not want a big bag or needs a smaller bag for carrying around or what have you. Such a wonderful bag. I truly do love this one. Anyways, if you like this bag and you're one of my clients, you know what to do. All of my information is down below if you want to order one of these. It can be made in fabrics, it can be made in vinyls, it can be made in leathers, it can be made in canvases. I can make it in whatever you like. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not out yet, it will be out at the end of August because we are doing a class on how to make this one for our Thursday, August 2023 classes. So depending when you're watching this, the tutorial is out, and if not, it will be out soon. There's also a cutting tutorial on this one. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.